So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you all can see, I got bald. Like I properly shaved my head entirely with a trimmer. I did it around 25 days back. So now it's quite a lot of hair since the day I did it. A girl, especially a teenage girl, having a shaved head, becomes everyone's matter of concern suddenly. So I was like, okay, let us extract some content out of it. Okay, so first question that I was asked a lot is why I did so. I actually did was to kind of, I wanted to see, am I really attached to my physical appearance? And I mean, there can be many ways to do this. I've seen some people shave their eyebrows, so I went for shaving my head. And just wanted to see that am I able to view myself the same as I viewed myself when I had my hair. Like, does my perception of me changes? Am I able to face the people around me? Do I really care about the judgments of the people around me? Because you know I do say that I don't care what people think about me, but I really wanted to apply it in practical life that if in some way my physical appearance changes, if something that I love a lot is taken away from me, something that I'm attached to, am I able to still survive without that? So yeah, I just wanted to test that thing within me. And the fact that I wanted to shave my head since like 2025, around 1 year, it took me 1 year to take this decision to really take a trimmer in my hand. And I mean, what I realized is that do not do it because everyone on the internet is doing it. Do it when you feel ready. And I mean, take your time, but do not overthink a lot. But yeah, like, it's a wonderful thing to do. And you'll definitely love it. Last year me would not have been able to deal with it, but now here I am. I have shaved my head. So yeah, do it when you feel ready. Okay, so the next question, what was the reaction of everyone? So basically, my mom thought I was kidding when said that, I want to shave my head. She was quite okay with it, but my dad was not. He was a little bit cold towards me when I shaved my head, but eventually, like, he was like, fine, okay, you did it. And then, yeah, and my brother was like, siblings are siblings, what do you expect from them? So like, his full on roasting mode was on. The reaction of my friends was like, friends and cousins, all of them were like video calling me constantly because they were not ready to believe that I actually did it. How I felt. So initially, when I was about to shave my head, it felt like when you sit on a roller coaster ride. You have this adrenal rush. You are uncertain about what is about to happen. What's the uncertainty that's coming up on the way? You know you're going to enjoy it, but that uncertainty just, it eats you. So that was the feeling exactly. I remember my heart was beating really fast, and then the first 2 days, uh, I had kind of like this anxiety. I remember looking myself at the mirror, and I was like, I look fine, I look good, I look beautiful. And that was how I really overcame that thing. I kind of progressed from, traveling in public places alone, and without any fear of that, thought that someone is judging me. Like, that thought was not at all there. Yeah, like, it was an amazing experience. It taught me how to, deal with things, how to deal with anxiety. And the next thing is that how it changed my confidence. I would say it changed my confidence in a way that I became less egoistic. Like, I'm not saying I was egoistic before, but I had my worth attached to something that is not mine. Like, my worth was not attached to the kind of soul I have. So this was how my confidence changed, that I actually realized my worth or my confidence is directly proportional to the kind of soul I am, to the kindness in my heart, to the compassion in my heart, and all of that stuff. Yeah, another question, that did I feel less feminine, or like, how it affected my femininity? I would say it changed my perception of how I view femininity. Uh, Initially, before having shaved my head, like when I had long hair, I viewed femininity as something that is related to mostly physical appearances. So I viewed femininity something as, wearing jumkas and applying bindi and, all of that stuff, or maybe wearing a kurti. But after this, I actually realized femininity is not always that, external thing. It is something that you feel. Even at times when you're really messy, when your hair's here and there, even at those times, you're still feminine. And I think I felt the most feminine during this phase of my life. One word I would like to use for this entire experience, I would say liberating, because it actually liberated me from the beliefs I had about myself. So it was wonderful, it was awesome, and I highly recommend you, if you want to shave your head, go for it. But only go for it if you feel entirely ready. And yeah, like, just do that, experiment it, and you're going to love it. And even if you do not love it, there'll be one day you'll look back at this moment and laugh at it. So yeah, it's hair, it just grows. And like, do that experiment, you're going to love it. So yeah, thanks for watching.